Welcome back to our channel, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: 2 veggies that destroy stomach fat overnight. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about 2 powerful veggies that can help you achieve a flatter stomach while you sleep. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our helpful fitness content. Alright, let's get right into it. Our first veggie superhero is the mighty avocado. Avocado, often hailed as a superfood, is packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients. But did you know that these fats can actually aid in burning stomach fat overnight? The monounsaturated fats in avocados boost metabolism and keep you feeling full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Plus, the fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those late-night cravings for unhealthy snacks. Now, let's move on to our second hero, the wondrous cucumber. Cucumbers may seem simple, but they are a hydrating powerhouse. With about 96% water content, cucumbers keep you refreshed and help support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, and cucumbers make it easy to reach your daily water intake. But that's not all. Cucumbers also offer other fantastic benefits, like improving skin health and aiding digestion. Now that we've introduced our 2 veggie superheroes, let's talk about incorporating them into your daily routine. Start your day with a delicious avocado and banana smoothie. It's a perfect way to get your healthy fats and essential nutrients in one tasty package. For lunch or dinner, whip up a refreshing salad with avocado slices, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and mixed greens. Drizzle some balsamic dressing for that extra burst of flavor. And don't forget about snacking. Enjoy guacamole with cucumber sticks for a satisfying and nutritious treat. But, of course, remember that a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. You need to combine it with regular exercise for optimal results. Engage in a mix of cardio exercises and strength training to burn calories, shed fat, and tone those muscles. And there you have it, our powerful duo for destroying stomach fat overnight: avocado and cucumber. Remember, consistency is key. So make these 2 veggies a regular part of your diet and maintain an active lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and remember to nourish your body with the right foods. See you soon.